Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 55 from chapter 25 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to calculate the focal length. We have a mirror. It's formed by the back of a spoon, and we know the radius of curvature, and then we need to find its power in diopters. Okay, so let's start with what we know. Okay, we know the radius of curvature is 3.00 centimeters. It's formed from the back of a spoon, so that means it's convex. And so we know that F is negative for convex mirrors. Okay. And so F is going to be minus R divided by 2. So we have minus 3.00 centimeters divided by 2. And so F is minus 1.50 centimeters. And let's put this in meters. So F is minus 1.50 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. Okay, and now we need the power, and the power is 1 over F. And so the power is 1 over minus 1.50 times 10 to the minus 2 meters. And that's because we need the power in diopters. Okay? And so doing the computation gives minus 66.7 diopters. Okay. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.